Have you ever imagined waking up to the sound of gentle waves, sunlight streaming through the window, and a cup of fresh coffee waiting as you gaze out over a mountain lake, all from the comfort of your own luxury motorhome? That's the dream most travelers chase. And today, that dream takes shape in the form of the Benimar Tessoro T463. A motorhome that doesn't just move you from place to place, but transforms every journey into a 5-star experience on wheels. Because while most motorhomes promise comfort, the T463 delivers sophistication. From its expansive interior design to the surprisingly spacious bathroom and clever hidden features, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a modern home, reimagined for the road. Welcome to Car Hub, where we explore the most impressive motorhomes around the world. If you're passionate about freedom, travel, and living life without limits, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the Benimar Tessoro T463, and by the end, you might just find yourself planning your next adventure. The first impression: a beauty in motion. At first glance, the Tessoro T463 looks sleek and confident. Built on the trusted Ford Transit chassis, it combines strength, efficiency, and a smooth driving feel that even first-time motorhome drivers appreciate. Its aerodynamic front design and metallic accents instantly give it a more premium European edge. And when you see it gliding along the open road, you realize this isn't just a machine, it's a statement of style and freedom. The T463 measures around 7.4 meters in length, giving it that perfect balance between maneuverability and space. You can take it through narrow scenic routes or park it by the coast without the struggle of managing a massive rig. Benimar's designers clearly understood that luxury isn't about being the biggest. It's about being smartly designed. Exterior elegance, strength with style. The exterior doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. Clean body lines, high-gloss white panels, subtle chrome details, and black-framed windows create a refined, contemporary aesthetic. There's a large electric step for easy entry, and the integrated awning system instantly turns your outdoor space into a shaded lounge area. The rear garage compartment is another highlight. Big enough to store bikes, chairs, tools, and even an inflatable paddleboard. It's one of those details that shows Benimar knows what travelers actually need on the road, not just what looks good on paper. And if you plan to travel all year round, you'll appreciate that the Tessoro's walls are built with high-density insulation, making it ideal for both hot summers and frosty mountain nights. It's a true four-season home on wheels. Step inside. The warmth of home. Open the door, and you're instantly greeted by a space that feels bright, airy, and elegantly crafted. The interior design of the T463 perfectly balances modern style with homely warmth. There's LED ambient lighting running along the ceiling edges, soft beige upholstery with contrasting dark wood finishes, and a thoughtfully open layout that makes every corner feel inviting. The front lounge area features a pair of swivel captain's chairs that rotate to face a cozy dining space. Once turned, they blend seamlessly into the living area, creating a comfortable spot for 4 to 6 people to relax, dine, or enjoy the view through those large panoramic windows. Benimar's attention to lighting is especially impressive. Whether it's early morning or late evening, the adjustable LED system creates the right mood. Bright for cooking, dim for relaxing. It's a small touch, but it makes a world of difference. Kitchen, small space, big taste. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive sections, the kitchen. Compact yet brilliantly functional, it's designed for those who love to cook even while traveling. You get a 3-burner gas hob, a stainless steel sink, and a surprisingly large fridge-freezer combo that can easily handle a week's worth of groceries. There's ample storage for utensils, cookware, and dry food, with soft closing drawers and a foldable countertop extension that adds extra workspace when needed. The detailing here, like the smooth matte finish on the cabinetry and hidden LED lighting under the cupboards, adds that premium touch that most mid-range motorhomes simply don't offer. Sleeping area, comfort. Without compromise. Moving toward the rear, you'll find one of the T463 most talked about features: the twin single beds that can easily convert into a massive double bed. This flexible layout suits both solo travelers and couples perfectly. Each bed comes with high-quality mattresses, individual reading lights, USB charging ports, and overhead storage cabinets that run the full length of the bedroom. There's even a clever hidden wardrobe space below the beds, perfect for keeping clothes neatly tucked away, leaving the room uncluttered and peaceful. The star of the show, the bathroom. The T463 features a full-width rear bathroom, something usually reserved for much larger luxury RVs. It's genuinely impressive. You get a separate shower cubicle with a sliding glass door, no plastic curtain flapping around, and enough space to move freely. The water pressure feels like home, and the heating system ensures a warm, comforting experience, even on chilly mornings. There's a large vanity mirror, modern sink basin, ample counter space, and dedicated storage cabinets for toiletries and towels. Driving and on-road comfort. Of course, all this luxury wouldn't matter if it didn't drive beautifully. And the Ford Transit base ensures it does. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter 170-horsepower turbo diesel engine that delivers smooth, quiet power whether you're climbing hills or cruising highways. The automatic gearbox makes long drives effortless, and the cabin is designed with true comfort in mind. Ergonomic seating, integrated navigation, and a premium multimedia system that keeps you entertained mile after mile. And with excellent sound insulation, you'll find conversations, music, or the sound of rain on the roof far more relaxing than in most vehicles in this class. Hidden features and smart details. There's a drop-down double bed above the lounge area that smoothly lowers at the touch of a button. Ideal when guests are traveling with you. There's hidden underfloor storage for valuables or extra supplies, and even a central heating system that evenly distributes warmth across the cabin. Why it stands out. Compared to many in its class, the Benimar Tessoro T463 offers that rare mix of luxury, functionality, and price balance. While some competitors focus solely on tech or flashy lighting, Benimar focuses on how it feels to live inside. It's elegant without being pretentious, modern without being sterile, and cozy without feeling cramped. The freedom to go anywhere. So is the Benimar Tessoro T463 the perfect motorhome? That depends on what you're looking for. If you want space, comfort, modern design, a huge bathroom, and clever storage in a package that's easy to drive, it's hard to beat. It's not just a vehicle, and it's your private sanctuary, your escape, and your adventure partner all in one. A luxury home that just happens to have wheels. What do you think? Could you see yourself living or traveling in this beautiful machine? Let me know in the comments below which feature impressed you most. The big bathroom, the cozy bedroom, or the hidden smart details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Hub for more inspiring motorhome stories and cinematic reviews, because your next adventure deserves to be unforgettable.